Right, hello people, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Yeah, here we are, the new project car for the channel, like I revealed to you all. What we're going to be doing today, we fitted a 3-inch dark side downpipe to it, we've tuned it, and we've done a few other little bits to it, power flex, subframe insert, a few other little bits. I'm really enjoying this car. Yeah, really like it. It's a bit reeky at the back. We tuned it quite cleanly, but it's a bit carboned up at the back. But yeah, really liking this car. Got a lot to come, a lot to come. Yeah, any modifications or anything you want to see on the car or any questions, put them down in the comments below. Massive thanks to Charlie, the editor, as always, for doing what he's doing and that, and keeping us all afloat. Yeah, I hope you're all enjoying the videos every Sunday at 6, and yeah, it's only going to get better than that, of course. It's yeah, just come to a little spot near me, just out the way. There's a bridge just there and a bypass, so ignore the noise. But yeah, it was that front wheel was leaking air yesterday, so had that fixed, and a few other little bits. Got to do rear disc and pads on it soon. Ignore the state of it, needs a clean. Rear disc and pads, the pads are getting a bit low. But apart from that, yeah, she's going well. I'll pop the bonnet and I'll show you the dark side 3-inch downpipe. It's lovely. It's blowing massively because I've got a reducer for the stock exhaust and it wasn't the right size, so it is blowing massively at the minute, but just waiting for a new reducer to come from dark side. And yeah, there she is in all her glory. Stock, obviously stock airbox and that still. And there's the dark side 3-inch downpipe. That is in the wrong place. But yeah, that is the dark 3-inch down. That's the lander, obviously. And you delete loads of DPF sensors and that. They're all these that aren't plugged in and map them out. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this car. Oh, put my private plate on it, T3. Everyone who knows me knows when I keep a car, my plate goes on. So plate's on means I'm obviously keeping it. I'm really liking it. I've done 1,500 miles in it so far. Yeah, it's a brilliant car. I got it for an amazing price. The guy who had it before me had it 7 years, and he did loads of miles in it and really looked after it. So really like it. It's not failed an MOT in 10 years, I believe. So it's a really good car. Obviously the PD170s are the bigger rate stock. They've got 312s up front and then 272s at the back. So the brakes are a lot better. They've got the long ratio gearboxes in them. So it's just a really nice car. I'm not sure what to do to it. I want your suggestions in the comments below to give me an idea of what to do to it. Do we want to do a body kit? Do we want to facelift it? Do we want to do some crazy alloy wheels? Do we want to wrap it? What do we want to do to this car? What do you want to see on this car? Drop in the comments below. Yeah, really liking this car. So it's yeah, just anything you want to see, do let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I'll put some clips in of when we were at my mate Robbie's unit. Massive thank you, Robbie, for letting me use your unit, your tools and that, and taking the DPF off. It was a subframe off job, so it was a long drive shaft out, subframe off, and a few other little bits, and then we basically dropped it, unplugged the oil level sensor, and then dropped the DPF down where the subframe is, basically, after we've unbolted the V-band, cut the clamp off the, where it clamps into the cat back, and took it out, and then obviously put the dark side 3-inch off. Got it for a lovely price off Facebook Marketplace, so I was really happy with that. Ignore any of the noise in the background, but yeah, I'll get Charlie Ed to put the clips in that now. Thank you, Charlie. Boom. Yeah, put it. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, now so you can get that fucking. Oh, here we go. Right. I want to play. You fucking dickhead. Yeah. But yeah, massive thank you all for watching the video. Thank you for all the support and that on the channel. Thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Really appreciate all of you. We're growing steadily. I see 400 subscribers not too far away, to be honest with you. We're staying consistent, like I promised you all. It's only going to get better and better, and obviously the content's going to get better and the cars are going to get better. Obviously this is the first project on the channel, but this is going to be something special when it's done, something really special. Yeah, just anything you want to see in the videos, or any questions or anything you want to see, do drop a comment below. If you want to find me on Instagram at HarleyBrown10, yeah, if you want to message me or anything or whatever, do. But yeah, I'll leave you all to it. Thank you very much, and I'll let you all crack on. Boom.